Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the important physics MCQs that related to the classification of the solid. First MCQs that we discussed that the X-ray investigation shows that crystals are composed of randomly arranged atoms. Atom arranged in one dimension. Atoms arranged in an orderly three-dimensional array. Free electrons only. We know that X-ray investigation shows that the atoms in a crystal are arranged in a regular repeating three-dimensional pattern, not randomly. So here we write that X-ray diffraction proves that atoms in a crystal are arranged in a regular repeating three-dimensional pattern, not randomly. So here the correct option is, that is the option C, atom arranged in an orderly three-dimensional array. So now we move to the next MCQs. That is the repeating group of atoms in a crystal is called lattice, unit cell, basis, and lattice site. We know that the basis is the group of atoms that repeat itself at every lattice point to form the crystal. So here we write that the basis is the group of atoms that repeats itself at every lattice point to form the crystal. Basis is the repeating group of atoms in a crystal, that is called the basis. Now we discuss the third MCQs, that is the lattice is the best described as real atom in a crystal, an imaginary arrangement of points, a group of molecules, a unit cell. We know that a lattice constant of imaginary points arranged periodically in space. Atoms are placed on these points lattice. These points lattice is basically imaginary arrangement of points. On later we place the atoms on these points. So here we write that a lattice consists of imaginary points arranged periodically in space. Atoms are placed on these points later. So here is the correct option is the a lattice is the best described as the imaginary arrangement of points. That is all we today discuss about the physics important MCQs. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.